like to thank our department to organize this valuable FDP on DSA and competitive coding. The topic itself is very pertinent from the placement perspective for our students. Way the resource person has explained how to solve the DSA problems and attempt the competitive coding and optimization problem was highly engaging and rewarding. The way he explained how to break down a problem before writing a single line of code. This is one thing I highly appreciate, and I'm planning to bring forward this pedagogical technique in my upcoming semester classes. I really feel indebted to my department for organizing this FDP on this very topic, because this topic is extremely important for our students from the placement perspective.
Now I am attending the 5-day FDP program on data structures and algorithm conducted by Geeks for Geeks. So far I learned a lot of complex problems into the simple manner, especially the trainer giving the more complex problems into the simple way. Due to that, I have getting the more confidence how the placement oriented concept can teach to the students. So mostly the placement oriented, they are asking about the data structures and algorithm, how you can solve the binary search problems, linked list, all the information due to these FDP programs I learned with the simple manner.
So about the session was very informative and it was helpful for us, and whatever the explanation they have given, it was clear, and I found the session very helpful.
I was very excited to attend this session FDP, which was creating a lot of curiosity to attend what exactly the Abhineet from Geeks from Geek is doing it. We were actually thinking that teaching data structure for all the faculties who are already experienced is a very challenging task for Abhineet. But in other way around, Abhineet made it as so challenging for all the audience who are attending the workshop. It was so interesting, it was so amazing session to understand that how do we teach a data structure in a different way. He did a different methodology to teach. He made us understand the different methodology, different examples and industry oriented questions, that how the questions are going to ask in the interview from the different point of a companies, what kind of questions are asked. In that way, he has trained us in a very well structured manner. We are so excited to attend this.